AI trading bots for prediction markets like Polymarket are absolutely taking over, and there's such a unique and cool use case for AI. So today I'm going to do a complete starter guide on how you can actually create your very own AI trading bot for Polymarket so that you can start playing around with this for yourself. So that said, let's just dive straight into it. The very first thing you will need is obviously a Polymarket account. If you do not have one, you can sign up with my link down below, which will get you less fees on their platform, and it helps out the channel. So would highly appreciate it if you use that link. Once you have created an account, just make sure you deposit some funds so that you can start trading. Polymarket makes it super easy. You can either deposit using crypto, like an exchange or a DeFi wallet, or you can use cash like your card or Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. And this is what I will show you how to install today. This was released last month, introducing Polymarket CLI, the fastest way for AI agents to access prediction markets. Built with Rust, your agent can query markets, place trades, and pull data all from the terminal. Fast, lightweight, no overhead. And then they link to this GitHub. So this is super cool. This is from the official Polymarket team. So I mean, it's safe. It's their official CLI integration. And on this GitHub page, they explain exactly how to install it. So for Mac OS and Linux, you would use a brew install, or you have shell script, or build from source. But in this case, we are going to use the homebrew. So let me show you exactly how that works. So to build this, we are going to use Claude Code within Visual Studio Code. If you've never used Claude Code before, it's such an incredible tool. Highly recommend you to check it out. There are loads of guides and tutorials on YouTube, or me and my business partner Andrew do have a complete in-depth course in our Skool community where we show you from scratch how to get started. It's called AI Impact, so you can check that out down below if you want to. But within Visual Studio Code, what you want to do is create a new folder. You can do open folder. In this case, I have already created a folder, but you can just create a new one. I just called it Polymarket CLI, so I would just open that, and this is what it will look like. I'll then just open the Claude Code extension. So this is what Claude Code looks like within Visual Studio Code, and I will then go to View and just open the terminal. This is the layout that I like to use. You have Claude up here, and you have your terminal at the bottom. So you will actually be running the trading bot within your terminal, so it will run automatically just using the Polymarket CLI. And to actually run the bot, you won't be using Claude at all. It won't burn any sort of Claude credits or anything like that. You'll only use Claude to actually build out the strategy, chat to Claude to get feedback, etc. Let me show you how to install it. So what I would do is just go over here, copy this homebrew command. Now, if you don't have homebrew installed on your computer, it will probably look something like this. So it says command not found because I don't have the brew installs. But this is such a nice layout because what I like to do whenever I run into issues like this, I just take a screenshot of the error, I paste it into the Claude chat, and I just say what's wrong and how do I fix this. Claude is great at troubleshooting, so it'll tell you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. So in this case, I deleted homebrew so I could show you how to actually install it for yourself for this video. But if you've never installed it before, Claude will basically just say you don't have homebrew, you need to install it on your computer, and it will tell you exactly what commands to run. So I will just copy this command, go back into the terminal and paste that in here. Then it will ask for password. I'll just do that. And it's now installing homebrew on my computer. So there you go, homebrew is now installed successfully. Now I'll just copy this message again, and I'll just say, do I need to do anything else? So homebrew is installed, now added to your path by running this command. So I'll just copy that, paste that into the terminal. There you go. To verify that it works, I will just do this command. And there you go. You can see that it's now successfully installed. After that, you can proceed with your Polymarket CLI install commands. So going back here, if I now try to run this command again, you can see that it's now successfully installing the Polymarket CLI directly into my terminal. And there you go. I just took a screenshot of this message too, because I'm not a coder, so I don't know the details of this. I just said, is this correct? Yes, Polymarket installed successfully. Try running Polymarket now to confirm that it works. So if we just click Polymarket, you can see that this is now what it looks like. So now that I ran the Polymarket command, this is what it said. So again, I'm just gonna copy paste this message and say, what should I do now? So what we need to do next is actually set up the Polymarket wallet so that it's connected to my account and can actually execute trades. So now I am going to run Polymarket wallet import and then add my private key. As you can see right here, Claude did say your private key is now visible in this chat. You should consider compromise and transfer your assets to a new wallet immediately. Obviously, you don't want to share your private key anywhere or with anyone, including in the Claude chat, only in the terminal. But if I run this command, you can see that wallet imported successfully and it will show you the actual wallet address. I'm just using a brand new account. This is not my actual main account, so that's why I don't mind sharing the private key here. But just make sure to not do that with your actual main wallet. But I'm now just going to say, is everything good now? And can I start to trade? And it said, wallet imported successfully. You're set up and ready to trade. A few things to get started. You can browse markets or check your balance. And on the GitHub page right here, you also have all of the different commands that you can run. So if I, for example, try to run this Polymarket Club trades command, you can see that it says I am in one active trade. This is it. So things are obviously now working. Now, the good thing is that you don't really have to do anything more in the terminal. The terminal is a complicated place if you're not an experienced coder. All you now have to do is actually going to be within Claude Code itself, and you can just talk to it in normal plain English. So now that it's set up, let's try to actually make a very basic trading bot. So in this case, I'm just going to say I want to make a trading bot that automatically scans all the Polymarket markets every 10 minutes and buys $5 worth of any outcome that is between 88 cents and 94 cents chance of happening that closes in the next 4 hours. But add a max limit of trades per day to 6, and don't enter any new trades if we're in more than 10 active positions. Also, don't enter any trades we are already in. And now Claude will actually start making this bot. So I will just allow all of these different permissions and just let Claude do its thing. So you can see that it then created the trading bot and it then actually went and tested it. So it found different issues, but it self-corrected them. So it says, let me fix that and a few other things, and it then just continues until the bot eventually works. And it now says the bot is ready. Here's the final script. You can see that it saves it automatically in your folder. So this is the bot. You can obviously make different bots in the same folder and run whichever one you want. But it says that this bot scans up to 500 active markets every 10 minutes, buys $5 of any outcome priced between 88 cents and 94 cents that closes within 4 hours, max 6 trades per day, max 10 active positions, skips markets you're already in, logs all trades to the log, and this is how you actually run it. But obviously this was just an example bot to basically just show you how it works, and obviously a bot like this would not be profitable in the long term either. What you want to do is go back and forth with Claude for a long time to basically plan the ultimate strategy. If you have trading experience, maybe you're able to add your strategy into Claude. But once the bot is made, it does tell you exactly how to actually run it in the terminal. So you would just copy this command and paste that in here, and that can just run in the background and basically scan markets every 10 minutes and automatically enter trades whenever it finds trades that are within your settings and parameters. So this was just the most basic guide to get you started with the Polymarket CLI. It's a super powerful integration if you want to create AI trading bots for Polymarket. I did recently make a video on how to do this with the Bullpen CLI integration, which might work better. So you might want to try both of them to see which one actually works best for you. But anyway, I hope you found some value in this video. Again, if you haven't signed up to Polymarket yet, you can do so and get less fees with the link down below. Also, if you want to learn Claude Code for yourself from scratch, we do have a complete beginner's guide and course in our Skool community. Plus, we do weekly calls. We give you a full starter repo with 500 plus like agents, workflows, and skills, etc. So you can check that out down below if you want to. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.